Any driver will tell you that your first driving lesson is a thrilling moment and one you will never forget. You're taking that first step to independence and changing your life forever. But we don't want you to be a beginner for long. We know the last thing you want is to be messing around with the basics, wondering when the real excitement will kick in. So a good driving instructor will have you up and running the moment you are ready. And at the end of your lessons, you'll feel great, rather than be left wondering if it ever gets better. To learn quickly, and therefore as inexpensively as possible, what you need is to enjoy your lessons and get a real sense of achievement all the way through. Beginner lessons are the choice for someone who has never driven or considers themselves to be a novice. We'll cover the building blocks of driving and allow you to learn at your pace, giving you a great foundation to continue your development, becoming a safe driver and passing your driving test in the shortest possible time. That's value for money. This is a very popular course, so phone the number on the screen today and start on that trip of a lifetime.